Hey everyone, it is me back with a haul from the Goodwill. I have not been to the Goodwill since last year. That's so old joke that little kids say. Anyway, but it's true. I have not been to the Goodwill in quite a while. Basically because I've been saving my money and I haven't had transportation and I have not, I just need to get things out of the house instead of bringing things in. But I am glad that I did go today because I found something that I'm so excited about. I'm going to show you that in a minute, but let me just get to all the other things. I was on an 88-cent spree today. Almost everything that I got was 88 cents. Starting with this whole full bag of polyester fiber fill. And you guys know that I am a sewer and a crafter, so this at 88 cents was a great savings because normally they are like $4 or $5 at Walmart and even more at Joann's if you don't have a coupon. So there's that. Started off my shopping spree right on pace. Another thing for 88 cents. My grandson loves Finding Nemo and anything underwater. He loves underwater creatures, characters, themes. So we're going to redo his navy and chartreuse bedroom theme to an underwater theme. So when I saw these sun catchers for 88 cents, I grabbed them right away because he'll love Dory. I know he'll need some help painting it, but I'll paint Dory and I think I'll let him do the star because it's just all open and he can just go willy-nilly wild with it and paint it however he sees fit. That will be great for him. Another thing for his room over in that same department, if I can find it. I don't know where she put it. Oh, there it is. I think I got it upside down. Yep. Decorative wall border, Saturday Night Limited, spelled with a K. These were 2 for 88 cents, but there was only 1. So that means I'm going to have to roll it out, see how long it really is, and try to be creative with it. I may just do one focal wall. I'm not really sure yet, but for 88 cents, you can't beat it. I can't wait to roll it out and see all the scenery that's on this border. I know borders are a little bit outdated, but I could even just cut the animals out and paste them on this wall. Now, I've had one of these before, and I saw the animals and instantly said, well, I'll just get another one, and my grandson can have one at his house, and I'll have one, keep mine here. Until I flipped it over, and I saw, uh-oh, this is dinosaurs. Plus, it had the other alphabetical zoo animals. So I basically got a twofer. And I believe, just by looking at this seems like more than 20 dinosaurs. So it says 20 wooden dinosaurs. And so I know that this is the animals. And then we've got the dinosaurs. So this will be great to have another set. And that was $2.88. While we're doing educational stuff, I got this for the daycare, this spelling match it puzzle. They're self-correcting, so, and they're pretty big size pieces. So we're working on sounding out the letters and somewhere it's in there, but just so you can see the general size of them, they're pretty big. These will be great floor things and floor puzzles and activities for my kindergartner, and keep her working on more of her letters, sounding out her alphabet and all of that, and her phonics. And that was $1.88. Now, I know it's way past Halloween, but white and off-white pumpkins are so hard to find during the season. When I found them, I'm like, well, let me just go ahead and get them, and I'll throw them in my Halloween box and have them for next year. These are nice size. And believe it or not, they were 44 cents a piece. When normally, like at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, these are like $2.50 a piece when Halloween rolls around. And I like the little intricate stem. It almost looks realistic. So, it must have been my day for white pumpkins, because not only did I get these for 44 cents each, I got these in a whole different department for 44 cents each. Now, these have the wicked looking vines, and looks like somebody put a little bit of gold on the stems, unless they came that way. I'm not sure. And that's not it. I wasn't done. There were two more. So I have a nice collection of white pumpkins. Now, the only thing about these are kind of soft, and you can see that they got a little smashed. But you know what? When you turn it around to the back, and naturally some pumpkins have blemishes, and they, you know, when you grow them for real, so I'm not even worried about it. It'll look nice in a grouping when I do my fall decors come September and October. This was a must grab. I could not leave this for anyone else to get. There are 26 tips for cake decorating or cookie decorating, whichever one, and I do cookies, but I do cakes too. So these are great, and all you have to do is just add the piping bags. Look at all those tips. They are glorious. Now, I see one is bent, but you know what? That's not a problem. I'll just unbend it. Someone didn't take very good care of them. There's a couple of them that are bent. So, $1.88, it doesn't matter. I'll take it. Don't ask me why I got these. They're just cute and little, and they have the tops, and I figure we can store some little knick-knacky things in them. These were 88 cents. They remind me of the old school Tupperware, even though they're not. I don't know. There's some random storage containers. I got these for my sewing room. It's 2 strings of lights, and this is not really a weak paper. It's kind of strong, and what I like about it is they come off and you can change the light bulbs, and a lot of the light bulbs weren't working, so that's why someone probably left it, because it was back by the testing station where you plug it in, and they just left it there because not all of the lights light up. But it did come with extras, 4 extras on each strand, which, since Christmas is over just recently, I already have tons of extra lights in a box. I have a shoebox full of extra lights when they come in the packages like this, so it's easy enough to actually just string a whole new set of lights through here. I think I'll even do that. I think I'll just get a string of the new LED lights that I got that are really bright and put these up, and these will hang in my sewing room. And see that fleur-de-lis pattern? That is the accent that's in my sewing room. So these were a perfect find for $2.88. Grab this item for my daughter, because she stole my coffee mug, and it's just like, can you give me my mug back? Can you give me my mug back? And I got to thinking, maybe she's keeping it because she doesn't really have a mug. So I'm like, I'm gonna get her a mug so I can get mine back. And it says, let's hang. She loves sloths. And it was 88 cents, so I couldn't help but get it. They had it on of course, the Valentine display with all the other red and heart thingies. So this will be her mug, so she can give me mine back, which also has hearts on it. But the main thing that I am so excited about, while my little daycare tiny human was playing in the toys, I was standing there at the end cap and saw one of those, they call them Oleos, I think, a bag with a collection of things. And this collection was amazing. You will not believe this. Octonauts. A whole treasure trove of Octonauts. Look at that. And the vehicles. The GUP E, the GUP A, the GUP B, the GUP C. I don't even know which one is which, but it's got all the GUPs. And it's got them with their regular clothes on, and then like with their scuba stuff on. I'm not sure. I gotta get into this. This was $7.88. I gotta get into this. I need a pair of scissors. Give me a pair of scissors, please. So that I can open this up. I gotta open this up now. Sanitize it while he's asleep. So when he wakes up, he can play with these. He is going to just fall apart. I don't think he's gonna even be able to understand it. With him being autistic, and he watches them on TV all the time. I don't know how he will react seeing what he loves to be able to hold on to them in his hands. Because I was going to surprise him and try to paint some wooden pegs, but I never did get time to sit and concentrate on it. Look at this. This is 2 separate bags of goodies. Let's open up the animals, or the characters first. And like with everything from the Goodwill, it has to get a good sanitizing. I've got my wipes ready in the other room, and I'll get them all clean off camera. I have to get a storage container just for these, so they can have their own special bin just for the Octonauts. I'm so excited to see how many are in here. Oh my gosh, look at this. They even have little eels, a little fish. I don't know who this guy is. This king does not belong here. One of these things is not like the other. And this guy, he doesn't belong in there either. He's one of the little people. So we do have little people. He can go in with those. But let's just look at these Octonauts. We've got a turtle. We've got one of the crabs. Another fish. Let's see. We've got Captain Barnacles in a couple different outfits. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, she's a bubble guppy. She doesn't belong in there either. Oh well. Another bubble guppy. Kidding me? Okay, we got 1, 2, 3 different quasis. 2 pesos. 1 Shellington. 1 Twink, I think her name is. 1 Professor. Oh gosh, I forget. And then, what's her name? The one that's always designing all the things. And then the Vegemals. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically, if we take some of these away, we only have one of him, but that's okay. The fact that we have so many of these others is mind-blowing. Oh goodness, I'm sorry. I don't have any of that in frame. I am so sorry. There we go. Look at that. Look at all of them. Look at all of them. Like I said, we've got 3 Quasis, 2 Pesos, 2 or 3 Captain Barnacles, 1 Shellington. I always forget Twink and the other Vegemite Turnip. That's his name. Tune-Up, Turnip, whatever his name is. And the Professor. Oh, I'm just so happy. But even though we have these other characters, they'll get put in with some of my the other toys, and they'll still be loved. They will still get played with. So that's no big deal, but it would have been nice. I did see another Oleo that was there that had, I think it had another Quasi and another tune-up in it, but that was it. It was a bunch of other things, so I was not going to pay $6 or $7 for that. Oh, did I tell you how much this cost? This was $7.88. I couldn't buy one of these toys for $7.88. Are you kidding me? This was like a gift from the heavens. A gift from the thrifting heavens. And look at their motorized too. Well, let me back my camera up because I'm a little close. Whoops. There, let's go out wide. Let's turn it around so you can see what's going on. Holy moly, look at that. It's a gup, but I don't know which one. And they move. Look at that. It's a pullback and go. That's one. This is the gup because it looks like a shark. This is Quasi's. He's always in this one. Wow. This is amazing. I gotta hurry up and get this done so that I can clean him before he gets out of his nap. Oh man, look at these. Look at this. This actually comes up in there. It actually raises the basket up into the helicopter if you turn the knob or turn the handle. Look at that. That's cool. That is just so cool. Oh. And the last one. Whoops. Bumped into the camera myself trying to get the scissors. Sorry about that, guys. Went on a little ride. Uh-oh. I just made it come off. But I think it pops back on. Because that's the same one over on the Gup S. Let's see. Yeah, it just goes back in there. There. Look at that. Oh, these are just great. Oh, they're so perfect. I cannot wait for him to see these. Alright, I'm going to go now so I can get all these things put away and get these sanitized and dry so that he can play with them. Oh, real quick, we went to Lowe's too to just look around. They had these 25 count light stakes. They were normally like $3.50. I got them for 99 cents, so I bought 4 so that I'd have an even 100 just to save for next year. Okay, that's it everybody. Join me for my next haul. See ya. Have a great day. Happy New Year.